Phoenix rise with thunder feel.
This is MV Land. What if you could create an entire girl group music video without filming anyone? No camera, no dancers, no editing team. Today I'm testing MV Land, an AI music video generator, to see if it could turn one song into full virtual idol style music video. I know, it's so crazy, right? So what is MV Land? MV Land is an AI platform that creates music videos directly from audio. Instead of manually editing things, you simply upload a track and describe the visual style. The AI analyzes the rhythm, mood, and overall feeling of the music, then generates matching visuals automatically. It's designed for musicians, creators, and anyone who wants to make visuals for songs quickly. Besides, you can upload a music to generate an MV. Also, you can generate music video by providing an image even. So this tool is quite crazy, and I believe it will go viral soon because AI music video is so hot right now. Okay, let's dive in. So first, let's log in by our Google account. Okay, now we are in. I love the interface, to be honest, and we have three big buttons. So first is music to video. You can directly upload a track or a song that is generated by AI. For example, like Sono, you can generate a music from Sono and you can upload here to get your MV. And second one is images to video. So you need to prepare several images, then you can turn it into amazing music video. And this button is about AI upscaling. So if you have a low quality MV, you can upload from here and you can get higher resolution. And beneath, we can find that you can use CDN 2.0 and you can use Happy Horse, even GPT image 2 for the image. And beneath, we have some crazy examples. They are all made by MV Land. That's so nice, right? I think one thing I love about the MV Land is that this is so convincing. I cannot tell whether this is like generated by AI or this is like produced by big company like Sony. And you don't need to editing each clips. It is like one click to generate. Let me show you how. Let's click here, music to video. So first, I opened MV Land and uploaded my audio file. Let's upload our music. I prepared a song called The Pink Fighter. Let's click here to play. I want to make it even longer, about like 1 minute. And then we need to telling the AI about our music video idea. Okay, I changed the duration. I want to see more of it. And I just type a prompt. Let's click here, create analysis. Oh, I like this loading animation. Now the AI is working on the analysis. Let's give a minute. Ooh, this is an analysis page and I love the design. So basically AI is conforming with us about the style, about the content, about the MV. And beneath we are able to choose a different style. You know, you got all kinds of the styles that fit for all kinds of the MV. I think for me personally, for my MV, I think this one is fit for us and for the character. So, you know, MV Land has some default characters you can choose, but they are single characters. Meanwhile, we are making a K-pop girl group. So instead of directly use that, I click here, custom, and upload the image I just generated. Yeah, which is this? This is like a virtual girl group I just made up. It's mixed with the K-pop and, you know, recently like the Blackpink. Let's click here and choose 16:9. But if you want, you can change the aspect ratio to 3:4, 4:3, or 9:16. But because we are going to publish it in YouTube, so I choose this one. After that, we are landing this screen. AI just generated some scene for us. So this is where our music video happening. After I gave my consent and the AI just generated those images. So it generated many shots. And if this is not what you want, you can click each. You can edit the prompts and click regenerate until you're satisfied. Oh, finally I can see my character. So this is one of the girl from my image. And inside of the street of the cyberpunk age, you get other characters as well. And if you confirm, it's time to making videos. So for videos, you have many options as well. For example, like the C-Dance 2.0, C-Dance 2.0 Fast, Clean, Happy Horse, C-Dance 1.5. Let's choose the first one. And for the avatar mode, we are selecting Clean Avatar 2.0. And for shots, we have 14 shots. This is pretty long. And this video is about 1 minute. So let's generate our video. Let's click this button. Not in days, but just in minutes, we are making this video, this music video. Let's hit play. Oh my god, that's so cool. I didn't expect that. In this timeline, in fact, you can do some editing. Yeah, for example, like the split. You can split any clip and remove it. For example, like this. And yeah, now you can remove it. And also you can add subtitles. Yeah, now when we click here, now we're generating the subtitles. Oh, it's kind of nice. The subtitle I think is kind of cool. I make it a lower position, and you can change the size a little bit. You can change the color, change the style. I think it's quite nice interface. And since we already have a 1 minute video long, I think everything looks fine. Let's click here, render video. Let's go. Yeah, now we got our music video. Let's hit play. And if you like it, you can click here, save. And you can choose without the mLand watermark. Or you can click here, regenerate. Even click here, share your work. This is what I encourage you to do. So for nothing to build up your own music video. This is why I love AI. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so much for today. I hope you liked today's content. And don't forget to check the descriptions. You can find some useful links there. And don't forget to try mVLand by yourself. You can create astonishing music video by yourself in several minutes. Okay, so much for today. Hope you like it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.